Hi, I'm Andrew Borner. I'd like to thank the organizers and the participants of this webinar for having me here today to talk about how we're depositing biochar using a no-till seed drill for pasture renovation applications in Northwest Washington. My business, Natural Plant Solutions, promotes soil health in San Juan County in Northwest Washington. We help homeowners and small farms with custom nutrient application, hydroseeding, and pasture renovation using biochar in many of those applications. I wanted to start applying biochar on the larger scale for pasture renovation projects, but applying the recommended 10 tons or more per acre of biochar was just prohibitively expensive. So I came upon no-till as a way to apply biochar in a more targeted fashion on the larger scale. What we're doing here is applying a mixture of biochar and organic chicken manure-based fertilizer in the middle seed box, in the native grass seed box of this Great Plains 606 NT seed drill, right into the furrow along with the seed in one pass. Natural Plant Solutions has formed partnerships with local organizations that are working on figuring out new methods for pasture renovation in our area. We're involved in a 3-year project with the San Juan Islands Conservation District, where we've planted at 19 farms around the county. Each farm is offered a 2-acre planting in the spring and in the fall. Most have not done all 6 plantings. The vast majority have done more than one. We planted over 100 acres in 2-acre patches over the last 3 years as part of this project. And on the map on the right, the markers with red are areas where the farms have chosen to add the biochar fertilizer blend. So we'll be able to go back to those sites and compare the efficacy of the biochar compared to the other sites that do not have the biochar application. A partnership that we started this year with WSU San Juan Extension, Dr. Brooke Brower started a no-till legume fertilization trial where they're looking at a variety of legumes and various levels of fertilization to see which combination works the best in our area. Biochar fertilizer was not part of the randomized block part of the experiment, but we planted the 5 different legumes at test strips at 6 different farms this fall, and 2 of those sites decided that they wanted to have the biochar fertilizer mix. So again, we'll be able to go back to those sites and be able to compare success differences between biochar sites and non-biochar applied sites. This is an example of a site that got the biochar fertilizer blend in the seed drill with the seed at the time of planting. In the picture on the left, you can see the horizontal green stripes where the grass and legume seedling mix is germinating about a month after planting, and the additional green from the biochar fertilizer mix. In the picture on the right, that's about 5 months after planting the following spring. This was a fall planting. We'll be able to go back to all these 19 sites in the future with additional funding to do repeated standard soil tests and the Haney soil health tests to monitor the effects of the no-till pasture renovation, but then also the addition of biochar at some of the sites compared to sites that did not get it. Natural Plant Solutions is applying biochar in a no-till seed drill on the relatively small scale, but technology exists on the large industrial farming scale. To be able to apply biochar in the granular form mixed with fertilizer in air seed drills to really have a large effect on global soil health and global climate change. And this is the scale that biochar really needs to be adopted at in the future. I think biochar is at a really exciting time, and I would love to talk to any of you some more over the phone or through email. So please feel free to send me, contact me if you have any questions. Thank you for your time.